Hello children, I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Eklingar, Udaipur. Myself Vanita Gupta. Today we will study subject EVS class 4, chapter 1 going to school. Topic means of transport in different areas used by children to reach school. Children, how do you go to school? Yes, most of you go to the school in a van or in an auto rickshaw, bicycles, or in a school bus. Have you ever faced difficulty in reaching school? How did you manage to reach school? It may have happened to you that you missed your school bus. Then what happened? Your parents take you to the school in their vehicles. You can see children, this is a rocky area, hilly area, having narrow, rough path. Can you tell how do children reach school by crossing this type of rough, uneven path in hilly areas? There are some areas in our country, children, where children have to face many difficulties to reach school. Still they go to school to get education. Children have to walk on rocky path in Uttarakhand to reach the school. You can see children are walking on rough, narrow, rocky path to reach their school. You can see this area, it is filled with water. The areas of heavy rainfall have such type of situations. Some part of these areas may get filled with water, or rivers or canals get filled with water during rainy seasons. In areas of heavy rainfall, water is everywhere. River and canals are full of water. Can you tell how do children cross this water to reach their school? Students have to walk on bamboo bridges to cross rivers to reach school. Mostly in areas of heavy rainfall, children have to use this type of bridge. You can see only one person can walk on this bamboo bridge at a time. Bamboo and ropes are used to make such type of bridge. Children have to face such difficulty in reaching their school. Still they are going to school carrying their bags with them. You can see it is village area in plains. Can you imagine how children reach their school in such areas? Can you tell what happens in plain areas in villages? You can see children are going to school on a bullock cart. Some children have to ride bullock cart in the villages in plain areas to reach their school. You can see it is a desert where there is sand everywhere. How do children reach their schools in desert areas? Some children have to ride camel cart to reach school in desert areas where there is sand everywhere. For example, in desert of Rajasthan. In some places, jugaad is used by children to reach their school. What is jugaad? Can you tell me? See this picture. You can see the front of part of this vehicle is from motorcycle and the back part is made using planks of wood and some tires taken from any other vehicles. So jugaad, as its name, it is a vehicle made by joining parts from different vehicles and machines. The children used to reach their school in this also. You can see the area between the two mountains filled with water, or sometimes it may be a valley in between the two rocks or two mountains or a waterfall. Can you imagine how children cross this type of water body between two mountains? Can you tell how do children living in this area will cross this type of river or waterfall? Some children have to use wooden trolleys to reach school. They have to cross a river. For example, in Ladakh, it is a wooden box that moves on strong iron ropes. You can see children going to school on trolley. They are crossing this water body between two mountains using this trolley. It is an open box and it moves on strong iron ropes tied on both the sides. Children, you can see there is snow everywhere. Can you imagine the life of people in this area? Definitely. The life of people in this area is very difficult. We cannot imagine how they manage to live there. But children go to school in these areas also. Can you imagine life of people in such area which is covered with snow? What happens to school going children? Some children have to move on snow to reach school, which is very risky. Children hold hands of each other and walk very slowly on snow as they may slip and fall. You can see in the picture, children are carefully walking on the snow because they have to reach their schools. Many children have to use vellum to go to school in Kerala. You can see this board. It is being used by school children to reach their school. Vellum is a small boat used by children to reach school in Kerala. You can see vellum in this picture also. Many children reach their school on bicycle. As we know, in our school also, children come to school on bicycles. Assignment. See carefully these two types of bridges. Can you identify these? Definitely you can identify this and this also. First bridge you have learned in the lesson, and this second type of bridge, this is called cement bridge. It is seen by us in our daily life. Now write difference between these two bridges, cement bridge and bamboo bridge. You can easily find out the difference between them as the material used and for what it is used, or identify these. First, you have read and seen this picture in the lesson. This also you can easily identify. You have to write their names. Answer these questions. What is jugaad? What is vellum? Write 4 means or ways by which we can travel on water. Draw a bamboo bridge, a cement bridge in your notebook. You have to draw both type of bridges and properly color it. Match the following: camel cart, trolley, bullock cart, vellum, walking on rocky areas, villages in plains used in Ladakh, Kerala, Uttarakhand desert areas. You have to match these. Thank you.